Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So I cannot believe I'm saying this, but I have finally got the Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler kit. I think it's only after months and months of contemplation, watching all the reviews and tutorials, I finally decided to take a plunge. And guess what? I got it in the limited edition rose pink color. Look at this, you guys. Isn't she stunning? And the best part, I got this in Singapore, so they had an option of engraving your name on it. So I definitely chose to get it done, and it was for absolutely free. How bougie is that? Also, my experience at Dyson store was really amazing. They were stylists over there, and before I got the product, they gave me a detailed demo, answered all my questions. So yeah, I was super happy, and surprisingly it's so heavy. I have also seen this in other videos of people talking about how heavy the Dyson is. I couldn't believe until I carried it myself. I will quickly give you the tour of all the parts of Dyson, and we'll start by doing my hair. So I have washed my hair. I have done my normal routine of washing and conditioning, and I'll start by doing it one side and we'll see the difference, and then we'll move on to the next. Unfortunately, I could not resist and I already opened the box, so there's no unboxing to be done. But yeah, new, and I'll be trying it for the first time. Please don't judge me, guys. I really don't know how to use it. I probably just tried one or two attachments, but yeah, I'm going to do a full blown hairstyle right now with you guys. Before I do the demo, let me quickly walk you through all parts of Dyson Multi-Styler. First, we have the main base, which is like the brain of the whole operation. It's where all the magic happens. This is where Dyson's famous Conada airflow technology comes into play. It uses air to style your hair without extreme heat. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and feels super premium. Talking about the attachment, this is the smoothing dryer. It has a dual purpose. You can quickly dry your hair after washing and also switch into a smoothing mode that tames flyaways and gives your hair a sleek polish. Next, for those blowout vibes, there's the round volumizing brush. This one adds serious lift at the roots and gives you bouncy parlor style blowout at home. Then we have the paddle brush attachments, which is your go-to if you want smooth straight hair. It's ideal for taming frizz or achieving that naturally sleek look. Moving on to the barrel attachments, there's the 40 mm barrel for creating loose bouncy curls or soft waves, and the 30 mm barrel for perfect tighter curls and more defined waves. Also, there were a few extra goodies included, like this detangling comb and hair smoothing products, and also a travel cover, which is perfect for keeping everything organized on the go. So guys, those were the parts that came with Dyson Multi-Styler. Now let me quickly jump on and start doing my hair. Blow drying my hair, although my hair is almost 80% dry, so I think this is how you fix it. Yeah, once you fix it, it automatically gets logged over here. So guys, I have done styling both the side of my head, and like you see, the curls are really good. I am just trying to comb them so that they become a bit loose, and if you use the bigger barrel, I am sure the curls would be much looser. And here I am right now applying the post styling cream that was in the sample. My hair did feel a lot more shinier after I applied the serum, and yeah, like you see, this is the look. I am really happy with it. Next time I'm sure I'm going to try out using the larger barrel to get much softer curls the next time. So finally, I think if you are someone who loves that professional blowout look but also cares about protecting your hair from heat damage, I think 100% this is worth the investment. I know it's pricey, but honestly, with all the features and how gentle it is, I really love it. And that was the video, guys. Do let me know in the comment section what your thoughts were, and if you have any video ideas using the Dyson. Bye.